जौहर की मलाइका के साथ मस्ती।
I just pose and pout. That's what I do for a living.
And I thought that's what I do for a living, but it's okay.
Well, you have tough competition. You pose, pout, and do a lot more.
करण की ऋतिक रोशन से छेड़छाड़।
This is as boring as it gets then. I'm sitting and so are you.
You want me to come a little closer?
I don't mind. You do what you want. It's up to you. I'm just your muse. Play with me.
वेल मौका था रिसेंटली हेल्ड एक मैगजीन की अवार्ड्स नाइट का, जहां करण जौहर, ऋतिक रोशन और मलाइका के अलावा करीना कपूर, फरहान अख्तर, फराह खान, हुमा कुरैशी, लीसा हेडन और कुछ और गेस्ट्स भी मौजूद थे। सभी यहाँ या तो अवार्ड्स देने या फिर अवार्ड्स लेने के लिए आए थे, लेकिन ऑन स्टेज सबसे ज्यादा मस्ती के मूड में थे करण जौहर, जिनकी मस्ती नजर आई पहले तो मलाइका से अवार्ड मिलने पर।
Please welcome on stage the winner of this category, the absolutely wonderful Karan Johar.
For me to be on the cover on the women empowerment issue was like my final dream come true. It was my bucket list right on top. So I was finally the Vogue cover boy stroke girl, whatever you call it. And I'm really, really excited to win this honor and to get it from you, Malaika, whose certain body part walks in before you do, is a very big honor.
How would he know that? Karan,
Darling,
you're used to
I know everything about the posterior.
You're very used to sitting about. Okay. You're used to sitting on a couch. Why don't we try this
Shall we?
high chair for a
All right,
moment?
okay. Well, that's all I can do is plonk.
Lovely.
You have scripted questions?
What would you like?
Whatever you
Scripted.
want, Malaika. I
Off
can
my
offer
head.
you very little.
You've come a long, long way, Karan. You've made some of the most amazing films. You've been extraordinary. What motivates you to fly beyond?
Fame. I was 15 years old and there was an elocution competition that I won in school, and I still remember I won the gold medal, and I looked at the crowd and there were about 200 students, and at that point I said, my God, I want to be famous, and I want people to know me when I grow old and I grow up, and I want to be famous. That was my biggest motive to make movies. It wasn't for any kind of creative excellence, it was to be famous. I'm one of those few people who will admit that I Google myself once every 2 days. I want to tell you, besides the only moment I once had outside Selfridges in London when there was a very sweet Gujarati couple that actually waved very furiously towards me, and I was rushing to catch a flight. So I said, very quickly, and they very quickly gave their camera and posed. That's when I realized that some of us are completely deluded about our place in life in the world. There is a large section of people who don't know what the hell we do.
Well, you can forgive them. Well, Karan, you've directed so many films. Is that one film that you wish you had directed?
Lagan, because I wanted to be at that Academy Award presentation. I was so upset. I love the film, but it's not really about the film. It's about the fact that Ashutosh made it to the red carpet. And I'm obsessed by the Academy Awards. I don't want to say that, oh, what does the Academy Award mean to me? It means a hell of a lot to me. Yeah? I want to stand on that stage and say, I love you, Meryl Streep, because she's always in the front row. And I want to say, this one's for you, India.
और फिर ऋतिक रोशन को अवार्ड देते हुए।
Probably the most gorgeous man in this room tonight, ladies and gentlemen. His last release film truly makes most women do exactly the same. Please welcome Hrithik Roshan.
Karan, I am nervous now because I have a feeling you're going to ask me some couch questions.
No, they're not so bad,
Are
actually.
you going to stand or sit down?
What do you want to do?
With you?
I mean, I have another choice, but it's not on the menu.
I think we should start the conversation wherever you want to sit. Let's just begin.
Well, okay.
Okay.
This is as boring as it gets then. I'm sitting and so are you.
You want me to come a little closer?
I don't mind. You do what you want. It's up to you. I'm just your muse. Play with me if you
Okay,
like.
let's just stay safe.
And is there a woman you're tremendously and immensely attracted to?
A woman?
Yeah,
I am attracted to all women,
lovely.
especially now. Something has just changed. I don't know what it is, but yeah.
So you think your newly acquired eligible status has just made you love women even more?
I just know that I'm not going to sing aloud.
No?
No. It's no more singling out. It's just,
Well, that gives a lot of hope to a lot of beautiful women I know in this
It's a
room and
challenge, dude.
otherwise.
As I said, outside my comfort zone, I'm stepping out, just going to explore.
वैसे करण के अलावा स्टेज पर मस्ती मजाक तो फराह खान ने भी किया जब उन्होंने अपने कजिन फरहान अख्तर को दिया बेस्ट एक्टर का अवार्ड।
The award for the best actor goes to my cousin Farhan Akhtar. Is it true that the film that truly inspired you in your childhood was a movie called Kranti by Manoj Kumar?
I love that film. I used to wake up. I was probably one of the few children who woke up before their required wake-up time to go to school. So if the alarm went off at 7, I'd probably be up by 6. So
Watching
that
Kranti,
yes,
we are
so
witness
get up,
to it.
get ready, quickly get into my uniform and sit and watch maybe an hour of Kranti before I left for school.
And is that what inspired Dil Chahta Hai? Kranti.
Well, to a certain extent it was. It was a Kranti against the cinema that was going on at that point. So I guess it was.
लेकिन by the end of it, Farah's puppet dance seemed to be a flop.
I actually want Farhan to tell you all about his earliest inspiration, which was Madame Fifi.
I can't say. I leave that to Zoya and Farah, who have made it a point that no matter where they go, they will make me awkward
about-
and embarrass me with this story.
Madame Fifi is
I was a child.
Farhan's
I
alter
didn't know any
ego.
better.
We used to dress him up in Zoya's dress, like a frock with heels and a hat, and put lipstick on him, and then he would wear long pearls of his mother, and he would come walking like this and say, "Hi, I'm Madame Fifi."
And dance to Ye Mera Dil Pyar Ka Deewana.
Do you want to do that now?
No,
Sure.
no.
Okay, then shall we do the puppet dance for everyone?
If you want me to.
There was also a puppet dance that Farhan and me had invented. I think we shall give you one little jhalak of it.
Of the puppet dance.
Of the puppet dance.
I
We'll
think
quite
they want to
spoil it
move
for
on
all other
with-
award winners.
Yeah, see, they'd like to move on. I think Farah.
Okay, so no puppet dance,
So
Karan?
we'll just puppet dance our way out off
Okay,
stage.
then take your award.
इनके अलावा करीना कपूर को भी यहाँ मिला एक अवार्ड एंड ड्रेस्ड गॉर्जियसली करीना ने ये अवार्ड मिलने पर दिखाया अपना एटीट्यूड।
Seth's going to be really happy because he loves martinis. So, considering he was like, "Oh God, you're going to another award function, not another award." I was like, "Yeah, but he's just going to be so excited because it's not an award; it's a martini glass, Seth."
Tell us, what is the single most defining moment that you feel in your career?
Well, I think it was two roles that clearly defined me. One was Chameli. A lot of people, including my own parents, thought that I couldn't play a prostitute at the age of 22, and that too from Kamatipura. My father practically died of a shock when I accepted the role. Of course, then in 2008, which was Jab We Met, which I'm still trying to kind of get over that Geet image because, I mean, it's difficult to just, everybody just sees me as that typical Punjabi girl, and after a point it is annoying.
हाँ, few others like Lisa Hayden और मनीष मल्होत्रा ने काफी मॉडेस्टी के साथ एक्सेप्ट किए अपने अपने अवार्ड्स। यानी ऑल इन ऑल ये अवार्ड्स नाइट रही द स्टारी एंड द नॉटी बी टाउन स्टार्स के नाम। सुरुचि महतपुरकर को रेजिंग मुंबई।